Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Travel Mapper Chrome extension, and I'm going to give you some insights of the experience that I had while using it. So let's check it out. So the first thing you want to do is go up to the top right hand side of your screen. You want to hit the three dots down to extensions and you want to click on Visit Chrome Store. So this Chrome Web Store over here will allow you to add the extension that we're looking for. So we're looking for the Travel Mapper, and once you've clicked on it, this extension you can install just by clicking right over here where it says remove from Chrome. It'll say add to Chrome. So you're going to add it, go through the process. It's very simple. And now you will have this added to Chrome. So you're going to go up to the top over here. If you don't see the icon, you can go and look for it, pin it. And once you click on it, you'll have this. You'll have to sign in. And it's pretty cool. What you can basically do is, like, let's say over here, we are going and we're on TripAdvisor and we're looking for things to do. So clicking on things to do, I'm going down here and I'm seeing, okay, there's a cool bucket list that kind of looks like what I want to do. And I'm going down here and, oh, there's a beginner's scuba diving course. That's awesome. Let's jump into here. And guess what? All I have to do is highlight the heading, right click, and I can click on save this text. Now basically what it does is it saves it to an itinerary, and everything gets managed on Google Sheets. So when you open Google Sheets, you can create an itinerary, or you can go up over here and you can just create one straight from here. So it says select itinerary. You can go like that. You can click that over there and you can create a new one. Okay, once you've created a new itinerary, you'll have somewhere to put this information. Here you can add cost, category, time, address, and any notes you'd like to do so. You can also map your itinerary in Google Sheets with the add-on, which we will discuss in another video. Once you're done, you can click on save. All of this now will be saved to this itinerary over here that you have created. So this one over here was created as a default, the Travel Mapper New Sheet 1. You'll find that in Google Sheets. So you can continue to go ahead and do all of this. You can now run through, as you can see, there is cost. You can run through all the detail and you can add it in over there. Now, once you're done here, you can jump into Google Sheets, and this is where you will manage everything. So if you go down here, you'll see here is your Travel Mapper New Sheet 1. We're going to click on this and open this up. Now, as you can see, there is a template and you can add all of your information in over here. So this over here will be how to use it, and if you go down over here to itinerary, you'll see this is where all of your information is. Again, you can edit all of this information in terms of time, date, activity, the location, and link, the cost, category, all of this detail. So as you're going through, the websites that you might be looking for places to go and things to do, you can add all of this information, and when you're adding this information, it's literally being updated immediately. So let's just go into skydiving over here. And again, you can see if you highlight this, right click on it, and you will be able to add it to your itinerary. So there it is. You're going to add your details in again. If you go down this page, you will see a cost, and you will also see the category that is in. It can be in adventure. You can now also add a time and address, as you can see, and you're going to click on save, and this is updated immediately. Here it is, and all the information that you've added in here will be here. So what you want to do from here is you can actually add an extension on to your Google Sheets, and you can plan how this actually all looks. Now, if you want to go and check that video out, you can click right over here, and we'll see you over there. Peace out.